Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with using the service. Oxio, a Canadian telecommunications provider found at https://www.oxio.ca/en, offers an intriguing alternative to traditional internet service. They operate on a unique premise of transparency and customer empowerment, aiming to disrupt the often frustrating landscape of telecom giants. Oxio emphasizes clear and straightforward pricing, with no hidden fees or surprise charges. Their website is designed for easy navigation, allowing users to quickly determine availability in their area and select a plan that fits their needs. The company also boasts a commitment to ethical practices, promising responsible data handling and environmentally conscious operations. One of Oxio's key selling points is its flexible subscription model, allowing customers to adjust their plan or cancel their service without penalty. This degree of control is a refreshing change from the restrictive contracts often imposed by larger telecom companies. Furthermore, Oxio utilizes a community-based support system, encouraging users to help each other and share their experiences. This approach fosters a sense of collective ownership and promotes transparent communication. While Oxio represents a relatively new player in the Canadian market, their focus on customer satisfaction and innovative service delivery positions them as a company to watch. Their dedication to transparency and flexibility sets them apart in an industry notorious for opacity and rigid terms. Whether you're a seasoned internet user or looking for a new provider, Oxio certainly warrants a closer look, particularly if you value a simplified and customer-centric approach to internet service. They seem to be carving a niche for themselves by prioritizing customer needs and offering a more straightforward and ethical alternative to the established telecom giants. Their commitment to clear communication and flexible plans may just be the breath of fresh air needed in the telecommunications industry. Give their website a visit and explore their offerings. You might be surprised by what you find. They offer a refreshing take on internet service, emphasizing transparency and customer autonomy. It's certainly a company to consider if you're in the Canadian market for a new internet provider.